Hey everyone, this is Sunglass Rob from SportRx, and I'm here with Todd Big Daddy Woods. He's a professional angler and Costa sponsored ambassador, and we're here to talk about the difference between a spinning reel and a baitcaster.
That's right. It's pretty basic, the differences. The main thing about the spinning reel, which is it's easy to use. This is probably
So you
really
would say
easy.
this is more beginner friendly?
Yes,
okay.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And also with the spinning reel, you can throw smaller baits, you know, like 16th ounce, 8th ounce, 3/32 ounce. With a bait casting, it can be very, very difficult to throw anything under 1/4 ounce.
Okay.
Okay. So when you get to your heavier baits, you want to be able to use, you know, your bait casting reel, your lighter baits for spinning. The other thing with for some reason, with a bait caster is you have better control over the fish. When you catch a fish, you're able to pull the fish. For some reason, you pull them better versus with a spinning rod.
Okay.
And those are pretty much the main differences.
Would you say that there's some types of like environments or conditions that you prefer one over the other, or is it just for bigger baits or smaller baits?
Well, that's a good question. Like if you're fishing straight vertical,
okay,
you want to use a spinning rod because you can just open up the bail
okay,
and release the bait straight
okay,
down, you know, versus when you go to release the bait with a bait casting rod, there's a little bit more resistance, so it'll take the bait a lot longer to go down.
Okay, and is there a price difference, or are they in about the same range?
They're pretty much about the same range. I'd say the bait casting reels might be a little bit more expensive.
A little bit more expensive.
They're a little bit
so
more
you would say
intricate.
if you're kind of entry person, beginner person like me, start here, and then you move your way up to this direction.
Absolutely.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
All right, well, we hope that video was helpful. If you have any more questions, please leave it down in the comment sections. Big Daddy might respond, you never know. And please subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up. We'll see you later.